In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move design system to another file in Figma. First, prepare the files. Open the source file that currently holds your components and styles. And open the destination file where you want the design system to live. Having them side by side makes it easier to confirm what you are moving and where it lands. Make sure you have edit access to both files and that nothing is locked or out of date. Next, select the main components and any styles you want to move in the source file. Be sure you are grabbing the masters, not instances. When you are ready, cut them using Command+X on Mac or Control+X on Windows. Cutting is important here. It tells Figma you are relocating the originals rather than making copies. That preserves the internal IDs behind those components and styles, which is what keeps all your instances in other files linked correctly. Now switch to the destination file and paste with Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. Place them on the appropriate page and organize as you normally would. If your system is structured across pages, paste and then move items into the right pages to keep your library tidy and predictable. Once everything is in the new file, publish your changes. Open the library panel in the destination file and publish so your team can use the updated library. Publishing from the new location signals to Figma and your teammates that this is the new source of truth, and it helps ensure that existing instances continue to resolve to the correct components and styles. Remember, cutting and pasting maintains those internal IDs, so instances in other files should remain linked without manual relinking. If something looks stale, a quick refresh or reopening a file can help the updates flow through. Variables may not transfer automatically. If they don't come across with the paste, use a plugin to export and import variables between files. Look for a reputable variables migration plugin. Then verify your variable collections, modes, and scopes after import to confirm they map as expected. Finally, check for any broken links or missing styles. Open the Component Library Manager and scan for unresolved components, colors, or text styles. If anything's missing, relink it to the new sources you just published. Give your most used components a quick test to confirm overrides, variants, and styles behave as before. That's it. Thanks for watching.